I am happy that Sri Sharda Vidyalaya has started Sharda Darshan, a platform for students to develop their skills and talents in the journalism and broadcasting sector. I am sure that as far as students are concerned, there will be an overall development for them to expose their skills and talents. Certainly, this is another feather for Sri Sharda Vidyalaya, and I take this opportunity to wish Sharda Darshan all success. Thank you.
Sharda Darshan provides an insight into the curricular and the co-curricular activities of Sri Sharda Vidyalaya. As we all know, schooling is not about academics alone. It's equally about co-curricular activities which will go a long way in shaping the child's personality. Therefore, Sharda Darshan is a vision of the management.
This is a time when the great pandemic has put us into the lockdown situations, and we are all inside our homes. So we thought, why don't Sharada students and teachers and everyone together think about being connected and to know about what are the activities through online and through other measures what the school is doing. So we thought of bringing news to all your homes through Sharda Darshan. I think that was the uniqueness which we wanted to do, and we thought that every day when we come to you at 5 o'clock in the evening, you will be staying connected with our children, and all the parent community will be with us. And it's so nice that the children and the faculties have taken it so positively. All the best to Sharda Darshan.
Namaste. Welcome to Sharda Darshan. Stay tuned to know the latest updates of Sri Sharada and its sister concerns. As you know, we are a big group of Adi Shankara, Sri Shankara and B.Ed College. Let us begin with our first bulletin.
Namaste everyone. Hope you all are safe and comfortable at home, and you are missing your school very much. And we are coming every day at 5 p.m. to your homes with Sharada Darshan, the news channel we are planning to implement soon. So I think you are very anxious to watch the happenings of Sri Sharada Vidyalaya. So please do watch and share the news and photographs through social media. Wish you all a very happy, healthy and safe stay at home. Thank you.
Let us welcome the new member to SSV, our senior principal, Dr. Deepa Chandran.
What motivated you to take up this challenge?
I have known the Adi Shankara group of institutions for many years, and I always had a passion to work in a place where the soil is blessed by the presence of the great Guru Shankaracharya. So this opportunity, when it came to me, I was happy that I'll serve this institution, because I always love to be with children, and children everywhere is a passion for me.
Thank you, ma'am. What are your expectations and aspirations pertaining to our school?
I feel that every child is blessed, every child is unique, every child has inborn abilities. So to work with children itself is a great thought, and it's a mission of my life. So what I thought is, I want them to be, my challenges are that I want every child who goes out of Sri Sharada Vidyalaya should be competent enough to compete outside with any person in the best of their values, in the best of their skills, and I want them to be polished and come out as real jewels when they come out of Sharada. That is what I owe to do in the years to come when I serve this institution.
Today, in this era of robots, hospitals or restaurants, we find them everywhere. Why not we try making robots of our own in our campus? The SSV recently inaugurated its robotics lab by His Holiness Jagadguru Sankaracharya Sri Sri Vidushekhara Bharati Swamiji. My dear friends, bring in your creativity. See you in the next bulletin. Till then, stay home, stay safe.